In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add education on LinkedIn profile. Currently, you can see I have already opened LinkedIn on my MacBook. Now, you click on this Me option. Again, click View Profile. Then you can see here are the all the setting. You need to click on this pencil icon. Again, just scroll down. You can see I have already added my school, Government Tularam University College. So when you add, you can found add new education. You need to click on here. For for example, I write here. mm, then once you have done everything, you can click on save. So you can see it's already saved to my profile. You can add your own way, not my way. Thanks for watching. See you again.